What's up, guys? I know last time I said, "Oh, we'll see you tomorrow." Well, I'm not doing daily vlogs anymore because I'm not saying they're stupid because, well, they're stupid for my life because my life is really, really boring, and I'm too embarrassed to vlog at school. So yeah. So today I'm gonna be doing the strip down challenge, and I know it's not what you think. If you know what that challenge is, then good thing that you don't have a dirty mind. So I'm gonna put the clock on for 10 minutes, and if you think, I'd suggest you probably not watch this. Your life is a lot more better than mine, because my life is really boring. So hold on. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're on. Okay. Yeah, there's no editing. You talk for 10 minutes straight. Yeah. So what has been going on in my life? Um, well, if you don't know who I am, then I am in grade 9, and there's a lot of drama once you get into high school. I mean, there is middle school drama and grade school drama, but high school drama is where this stuff is at. You might be popular, you might be not popular. It might be right in the middle where you're not even in the drama, which props to you because drama just sucks. I mean, it's fun to watch, but when you're in it, it sucks. And so, yeah. And yeah. What to talk about? My life is really boring. Um, relationships. Relationships can be very, very messy. Yeah, I've been in like a couple this year, and didn't really work out, but I'm friends with some of them. Yeah. Um, I mean, there's good days. I mean, Friday, because today's Sunday. Oh, yeah, happy Mother's Day, by the way. Friday was pretty fun. I went to the mall after school with my friends, and yeah, it was actually really funny. Um, yeah, so seriously don't know what to talk about. Um, yeah. um, um, I mean, the key to high school is don't talk shit. It's pretty hard to do, but the key is don't talk shit. But I'm pretty hypocritical about that because I do talk shit about people. But oh, I don't know. I try to be careful about it because there was a big fight that happened a week ago about talking shit, and this it was kind of messy, and I was kind of there to see it all. And yeah, and I was like, oh shit, definitely don't want to do that. But she talks like a lot of shit. So you don't want to be her. Okay. And she thought she was all that. So yeah. So I don't think I'm all that. I think I'm pretty less than what she thinks she is. She thinks she's okay, but I think I'm like, yeah, my life is pretty crappy. I mean, I'm not trying to be like, oh, feel bad for me. I'm just saying it. Yeah, I have like crap going on in my life, and I just got a lot of stuff. Yeah. Um. I think I'm gonna get my tablet next week, so I might be able to put better videos up, or they're just gonna be as crappy as my other ones. But yeah, and yeah. So if you're having a lot of crap in your life, and there's people saying, "Oh, I'm here to talk," and you're just like, "No, you're not. You're just saying that." They're not just saying that. Most of the time, they're not. Just talk to them. If you don't talk to them and you do something like try to kill yourself or cut yourself or something like that, you're I don't know what to say. I didn't try to kill myself before, but I admit that I've thought about it. You know that a lot. I've thought about it a lot, but I've just seen people go through stuff. I mean, my sister, she wants to kill herself, and I can't do anything about it because she lives literally an hour away, and she's 18, so she's not living with my mom anymore, and me and her are different dads. So yeah, so I can't do anything about it, and I don't know what she's going through. So I haven't lived with her for like 3 years. No, 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. So I don't know what to do. And if you're like me, and you got like a stepmom who's really rude to you, just I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that stuff out too. So when I find that out, I'll make sure to put it in one of my next videos. But yeah, I'm talking to this thing because my stepmom and stepsister are home and they're really critical, and they don't know that I do YouTube, and my dad's the only one, and he's never seen me do it. So, and he's not home. He's still at work. So, and if they're listening in right now, I'm not crazy. I'm not talking to myself. Well, yeah. And what do I have to say about boys? Boys are boys are something. They're something. I tell you, they're really something. they're they're annoying. They're trouble. I mean, admit girls can be it too, but you know, what to say. If you're watching this and you know who I am, don't make fun of me on tomorrow, because I'm posting this tonight. And yeah. And I know I don't get views. I'm just trying to get through. I know. I like making YouTube videos, but honestly, who's really seeing them? I'm not saying you're nobody, but if you're watching this, I'm not saying you're nobody. Life can be shitty. Life can be happy. I mean, your life isn't completely shitty. I mean, sometimes you have happy moments. Sometimes you have moments where you start dating someone and you realize that you love them, and then the next moment they break up with you and you don't know why they broke up with you. You don't even know you did wrong. And yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much my advice. Sucky advice, but hopefully I helped you just a little bit. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. So yeah, if you need anyone to talk to, I don't know how to tell you to message me without promoing. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So if you, I'm gonna promo anyways. No one's gonna watch this anyways, so I don't probably won't get any messages. My low key account, which I don't have that many followers because I've only had it for like a week, is avocados underscore 2001. And I will follow you back. And if you need to talk to me, just DM me. I don't have that good advice, but if you need to talk, you need to talk. Yeah. Please give it a thumbs up, or you don't have to. And comment Pop-Tarts for me, subscribe to your channel, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You probably have more subscribers than me anyways. And I hope you're having a good day, Mother's Day. And if you don't have a mom, I apologize. I can't even see my mom today because she's working, and yeah. So I hope you have a really amazing day, and you just remember you are an amazing person inside and out. And I'll see you next time.